LISUN is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone. Let me introduce to you the EN62471 Optical Radiation Safety Test System. The whole system consists of the following parts: the cabinet, digital power meter, DC power supply, AC power source, optical test host, computer, sample holder, optical guide. There are the ESUV spectral measurement detector, Photobiological radiation luminance meter, consisting of retinal luminance meter, LBLR spectral measurement detector, LR spectral measurement detector, and EIR irradiance detector inside of the optical test host. The detectors will be switched automatically during the test. The operation of the software.